Using a Capital One credit card is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of credit card management and financial responsibility. To get started, first make sure you have received your credit card and have activated it by calling the phone number provided with your card or by using the Capital One mobile app. Next, familiarize yourself with the credit limit, interest rate, and any fees associated with your card. You can find this information on your card agreement or by logging into your account online. It is essential to understand these terms to avoid overspending and accumulating debt. To make a purchase, simply present your card to the merchant and they will process the transaction. You can use your card for online transactions, in-store purchases, or to pay bills. When making a purchase online, ensure that the website is secure by looking for the HTTPS prefix in the URL and a lock icon in the address bar. To pay your credit card bill, log into your account online or use the Capital One mobile app. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. It is crucial to pay your bill on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. In addition to making purchases and paying bills, you can also use your Capital One credit card to earn rewards, such as cashback or travel points. To redeem your rewards, log into your account online and follow the prompts to choose your reward. To keep your account secure, always keep your credit card and account information confidential. Avoid sharing your credit card number or account details with anyone. And never leave your card unattended. If you notice any suspicious activity on your account, contact Capital One immediately to report the issue. Finally, to get the most out of your Capital One credit card, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of your card agreement. This will help you avoid any potential pitfalls and ensure that you are using your card responsibly. By following these steps and being mindful of your spending habits, you can use your Capital One credit card effectively and enjoy the benefits it provides.